Guys, Mi10T and Mi10T Pro smartphones are set to launch on September 30 and complete specification as well as render of the two phones have leaked. The specification and renders come from a known tipster on Twitter, leaving very little to the imagination. The two smartphones are said to powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC and feature with 144Hz refresh rate display. The Mi10T series is expected to include a Mi10T Lite variant as well. However, details on the smartphone are still scarce. So guys, let's know the specification of Mi10T. Thanks to known tipster on Sudhanshu on Twitter, the complete specification sheet for the Mi10T and Mi10T Pro has leaked. The tipster claimed that the Mi10T will feature a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is said to be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC and come within a 8GB plus 128GB variant where RAM is LPDDR5 and the storage is UFS 3.1. In terms of cameras, the Mi10T is expected to carry a 64MP primary sensor, a 13MP sensor with an ultra-wide angle lens and a 5MP macro shooter. There is said to be 20MP sensor on the front for selfies. Xiaomi is said to have fitted a 5000 mAh battery in the phone with support 33W fast charging. A side mounted fingerprint scanner and dual stereo speakers are expected as well. For connectivity, the Mi10T may feature dual band Wi-Fi, dual SIM support, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, dual frequency GPS, IR blaster and a USB Type-C port for charging. The tipster claimed there will not be a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Mi10T is said to measure with a weight of 218 grams. The Mi10T is said to have a black and a silver variant. So guys, let's know the specification of Mi10T Pro expected. The Mi10T Pro, as per the leak, is expected to carry mostly the same specification as the Mi10T but with a few differences. Instead of the 64MP primary sensor, the Mi10T Pro is said to come with a 108MP primary sensor. It will elegantly come in two configurations, 8GB plus 128GB storage and 8GB plus 256GB storage. Besides this, the Mi10T Pro is pretty much identical to the non-Pro variant. The Mi10T Pro is said to have a black, blue and silver variant also. Coming to the renders, they are in line with what we have previously seen. Both the Mi10T and Mi10T Pro have a hole punch display for the selfie camera. The side mounted fingerprint scanner can be spotted as well. Both variants will feature 5G support as well. A lot of the specifications have leaked previously as well, and the new leak pretty much covers everything in terms of design and internals for the two upcoming Xiaomi phones. While the tipster has not shared pricing for the two phones, the Mi10T is rumored to be priced at Euro 550 and Mi10T Pro may be priced at between Euro 640 and Euro 680. So guys, if the video is informative, please like the video and share your friend, and thank you for watching the full video. Please wait for the next update of this smartphone. So thank you friends, have a nice day.